So, folks, I want you to think about this. You're prepping, and you need to get the best bang for your buck. Now, this item right here, the Knorr Professional, basically it's the powder to make your own chicken broth with. And this 7.9 pound package will yield 75 gallons of chicken stock for you. And what is it? 1602. So, if we go look for the prices for this, 1602, this one has 4 a case. That's still over almost 20 bucks for 4 of them. $31 for one of them. Over at eBay, 21, 25. So this price right here is the best price. And even if you check it at the store at Walmart, it's not going to be cheaper. So anyways, and I get free shipping from Amazon. So if you hate Amazon, that's not my problem. You can hate Amazon, or you could hate eBay, you can hate Walmart, whatever. We are trying to prep smarter for times ahead. And I'm going to say a few things about that. So you go over to Walmart over here and you see their family size great value, and it's 48 ounces. That's $1.93, right? So I did the math on that. The math on that comes out to be, for the same equivalent that you would get out of the 75 gallons out of that jar, it would cost you $48.25 for the same amount of product. All you're doing is adding water. So, there's also other choices, but at this price, this makes a lot of sense. What am I saving? Well, for the same amount, right here, I subtract 1602, and I'm saving $32.23 to make them out the same amount of product. And here's another thing too. As far as the storage goes, I've only got to deal with this one jar that goes on the shelf. The other one, you've got to stack them in there. And how's that going to be for if you need to save space to put your other preps in? Prep smarter and save money. Do it the right way. Always rethink what you're doing. I was thinking, yeah, I just go grab a couple of these off the shelf, 2 or 3 every time I go to Walmart, or 4, because I use it quite a bit for my food, especially if I'm cooking some broth or something with vegetables in it, chicken in it, and, making my own soup or some Mexican dish or whatever, for like when I make rice, junk like that. Now, take a note. So instead of stacking all these boxes on a big shelf, taking up a whole shelf, I've just got this one bottle to deal with. More efficient storing, saving over $33. And look, there's other ones too. Here's one for the chicken broth tomato style that you could use with rice for your Mexican food. There's other ones that have, beef based. So really check out your preps and start prepping smarter by saving money and your time and space on your shelves, because your shelves can only hold so much before you run out of room. If you liked the video, subscribe, like, and thumbs up for me, please. And I hope if you want more videos like this, I will let me know, and I will do them.